Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got a painting to share with you today from a different company. So I've not unboxed from this company before. This is called from Outdoor Tide. So I will pop a link in the description down below. But they do have some gorgeous paintings. And I chose this one. So it's a 30 by 40. It is a round painting and they do have the round symbols down the side. But look at that. How gorgeous is that? Especially for a 30 by 40. I think that is pretty stunning. It has 24 different colours and it does come with DMC numbers. It does use a mixture of letters and symbols, but the actual diamond painting area is 24 by just short of 34. So 24 by 34. It does come with a standard toolkit. Looks like you get maybe 3 little baggies in there as well. Symbols look clear. What I can see, there is quite a bit of confetti, of course, just to get all that detail in. But colours are sort of in similar-ish places. So while there's confetti, you're not tipping diamonds in your tray to only put 3 on the canvas and then have to go through all 24 colours. I like confetti if there is still, you know, in a section a decent amount of that diamond colour, because it's the tipping in and out the tray that takes the time, isn't it? But we have some beautiful colours in here. So we've got some blues and greys, gorgeous purples, beautiful teals, more purples, pinks, a little bit of red, some more blues and pinks, some more teals with blues, little light green, gorgeous, more pinks, another nice teal and some more pinky purples as well. So I think the colours are striking. If you have a look at them, let's see if I can get them grouped together, though they keep falling down. But yeah, there is some absolutely gorgeous colours in there. So I will pop the link in the description box below to this painting if it catches your eye. There are so many more, so do feel free to go and have a browse. But yeah, this is from Outdoor Tide, so thank you so much to them for sending me this to share with you all, and I'll speak to you all again soon.